Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of what I think is a 2019 Hot Wheels. Today we have a 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster from the Roadsters series, and that's number 2 of 5 and number 170 of 250 on the year. Nice red, no roof, looks like a plastic bottom on a metal top. Drop the top and hit the road. These Roadsters are raging. 2017 copyright, and that's why I think it's a 2019. 2017 did a few different years with the 2017 copyright. Wow, it's a beautiful red. Wow, this is going to go into my favorites collection. I've just decided that after looking at it. Look at the headlights, all painted up. The rear is all plastic, along with the bottom. Made in Malaysia with the plastic bottom. All the red you're looking at is metal. Driving is on the left. And inside is plastic also. Let's see how this rolls. Whoa! That rolls so nice. It's a perfect car. Let's see how it rolls on the track with the no ball. That's it. Let your car alarm go off. Nice. Whoa. Oh, right. Oh, it rolled off of it. We got a little bit of a tilt in our table, I think, now. It's a nice drifter. And right on the line, stay, yes! I like it. Timmy's 10 again favorite. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out with me. Nice red too. Not metallic, but very shiny. And I'm liking that a lot. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Hopefully you watched the whole video. I think I like this detail the best. Till next time, T10 out.